Is it time to remodel your bathroom in Temecula? Your home's bathrooms get a workout every day. Constant use, combined with the moisture that baths and showers create in these spaces, can wreak havoc with even the highest quality components. If your water has a high mineral content, as is often the case in our area, your fixtures and faucets can quickly become subject to problems. These conditions can also encourage the growth of mold and mildew which, in addition to being unsightly, can even pose a health hazard for you and your family. If your master bath, powder room or secondary baths are dated and tired, consider tackling this unpleasant scenario with a professional remodel. Likewise, if you're having plumbing issues or electrical problems, having a licensed contractor address the issues will help ensure your safety as well as your comfort, potentially even helping increase the value and saleability of your home. Is a bathroom remodel expensive? Our clients often tell us they've put off exploring renovations because they're afraid of the cost. Rest assured that the remodeling pros at Box Construction can work wonders within your budget. We also offer financing so no project is out of reach. We assist homeowners throughout the Temecula and Murrieta areas with bathroom renovation, remodeling, and even adding a bath to their homes. We take the time to understand your needs and your budget. We can recommend beautiful design elements, fixtures, and finishes to fit a variety of budgets. Of course, we can assist you with a luxury bathroom upgrade as well so you can finally have that modern, upgraded bathroom you've been dreaming of. You have many excellent remodeling contractors to choose from in our beautiful region of California. But when it comes to selecting the best bath remodeler for your needs, we can make a convincing argument for choosing the Box Construction team. No project is too large or too small for us to handle, and we treat every client as though they were a part of the family. We pride ourselves on exceptional service and quality workmanship. We handle every aspect of your project, from design concept through completion. We have established a reputation for our open, honest, and ethical approach to doing business. Our pricing is fair and transparent, and we think you'll be delighted with how much money we can save you with our value-added services. Contact us today to request a personalized cost estimate for your bathroom remodeling in Murrieta, Temecula, or any of the surrounding communities.